Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that my English is for beginner. Those who are learning English language and they are at first phase, they are beginner. They want to improve themselves. They can watch our videos. They can learn little sentences, simple sentences because we are speaking simple English language. We are not speaking advanced level English language. And when you will speak simple language, then I think that it is easy for others to understand you. Otherwise, if I speak in speed, in fast way, then the beginners, those who are beginners, are not able to understand whatever I am saying. But if I will speak in a smooth way, slowly, then other can understand easily whatever I am saying. Right now I am speaking in slow speed. I am not speaking fast because I don't like to speak English fast because English is not my first language, and when you try to speak the second language very fast, then because your accent is different, then other will face a lot of problems while understanding you. So if you are speaking the second language, English as a second language, then I think that you should speak very slow and in smooth way. In this way the impact of your speaking will be good on others. Those are non-native listener, or those are watching your videos. And in the same way, those people, their English is the first language, they are speaking English as a first language, they can also understand you when you speak in slow way. When you speak fast as a second language, then the people those speak it as a first language will also face problems while understanding you because of the accent variation. Your accent is different, their accent is different, your intonation is a little bit different from their intonation. So they can face problems while understanding you. But when you will speak, as I told you, in smooth way, slowly, then even the Englishmen will understand you and they will appreciate you. So this is my suggestion for all those who are learners speaking English language as a second language, that speak in smooth way, in slow way. No need of speaking fast. What kind of hesitation you are feeling? Why you are speaking English fast? Try to speak in slow way so that other will understand you, and this impact will be very nice on others. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other lot of videos uploaded on this channel. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.